Hello, in this video we show you how to adjust the handbrake or the parking brake on Volkswagen Amarok. First I'm gonna go inside the car. I'm going to check how loose the handbrake is. First I'm going to pull it up just to see, you can see how loose it is. It usually needs to hold the wheels at around about 4 clicks. Here in my case it holds it at about 6 or 7, which is way too much. I'm going to try to adjust the handbrake so that when I pull it at about 4 clicks it's already tight. To adjust the handbrake we need to go underneath the car, and we're gonna go in the middle of the car, and that's where you adjust the handbrake. That's it, right there. You need to screw on this nut and the handbrake will tighten. And this is one of the cables going to the wheel, and that's the other cable going to the other wheel. To tighten the handbrake, first we need to hold this thing from turning, and then just screw on the nut, and the handbrake will get tightened. To hold the cable from turning, I'm using pliers, and then I'm using a wrench to tighten the bolt, to tighten the nut. You can screw the nut on a little bit, and then you can go up inside the car and check the handbrake, and then you can go underneath again and tighten it maybe a little bit more, and like that until you see that the handbrake is alright. That's enough tightening for now. You can see how much I screwed the nut on, about maybe 1 centimeter, maybe a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go inside the car and check if the handbrake is okay. But first I'm going to turn the wheel just to make sure that I haven't tightened it too much. This one is turning and the other one is turning as well. Now I'm going to check the handbrake to see how much it's tightened. For me it's okay now. If for you it's still loose, you might need to tighten it a little bit more, but that's how you do it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.